This is the east elevator at the Q Place Garage in Lincoln, Nebraska. It's a Montgomery from 1994. So here we go. It's going to be 1080p 60 frames. So here we go. Here it comes. It's on 2 East, 2E. Let's go to 8. Here we go. Traction. Here 8. Let's go back down to the ground. Let's go back down to ground. This is when we get a fire ride on these elevators, since in 2024 these elevators are getting modernized. Here we go. You're at ground. Alright, and that's it.